When dealing with semiconductor tanks, you may want a loose liner to protect them from volatile chemicals and materials. We'll discuss these more later, but typically they're made from thermoplastics that are welded together using hot air. These welds work, but they carry several major risks that can be avoided with Edlon's PureFusion welds. Here you can see an example of a hot air weld and a PureFusion weld. The hot air seam juts out from the plastic, creating a space that weakens the liner and can trap particles. This serves as a potential weak point in the liner that can cause it to fail and contaminate your process, demanding more time and effort for cleaning and maintenance to prevent potential damage. The PureFusion seam is flat and even, eliminating the areas where particles accumulate while remaining as strong as the parent material. This protects it from both the stress and the chemicals that could create a breach in an air weld. There are numerous things to consider when building a tank for your semiconductor processes. You don't want something like a vulnerable seam to disrupt your process.